You are going to love the 2020 Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capability comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tow hitch, traction control, navigation system, stability control, remote engine start, anti-lock braking system, power passenger seat, power lift gate, air conditioning, dual airbags. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.